Hey team, what's up? It's me again, and thank you for watching. Thanks for visiting this channel. And today we are just going to make a really simple cocktail using a Remy Martin VSOP. Alright, first what you need is ice. Natunaw na yung ice ko. So it's up to you kung gaano mo karami you want it, but I prefer na medyo marami. Alright? And then 35 ml Remy Martin VSOP or 40, up to you. Sana walang nanonood na friends kong bartender, kundi sisitahin nila ako sa pag-mix. But I think this is enough. And then what's next is ginger ale. Sa mga ginger ales na really good in the market right now is Fever 3. There are also others na quality like the Fentimans and so much more, but these are the two that I would recommend: the Fever 3 ginger ale, premium ginger ale, and the Fentimans natural ginger ale. But this time we're going to use Fever 3. It's good. It's really good. Okay, so ulit, you have a glass or a highball na medyo mataas yung glass mo, na medyo slim. You put ice, you put your Remy VSOP 35 or 40 ml, and then you top with ginger ale. Now, you can also garnish this with lime, may it be a wedge or a peel. Pwede rin siyang lemon. Actually, it's up to you kung anong taste or expression ang gusto mo. Others put lemon, others put orange. Kung naman meron ka sa ref mo right now, calamansi even pwede. Again, it all depends on your preference. So whatever it is that you feel like, you can put in your drink. Walang rules. There's no rules in drinking cognac, but make sure you mix with the best. Right? Mix with the best ginger ale. If you're going to make this Remy Ginger, right? It's good. It's light, refreshing, and quality taste. Easy cocktail that you can make at home with your friends. That's it, guys. Hope you guys can try this. Right now, I think they're running a promotion online where you buy one bottle of VSOP and then you get 2 bottles of Fever 3. Right? So check them out. I'll link the outlets or e-retails at the description. Well, that's it. It's as simple as that. You make a drink, you put ice on your glass, put a Remy Martin VSOP, and then you top with Fever 3 ginger ale. Alright, that's it. This is Mike signing out, and enjoy the drink. Medyo magulo. TV, may stand ang mic. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. That's the drink. Wala lang akong garnish right now, but it's really good. I tell you. Enjoy, guys.